I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel either with your iPhone or your Android device, and let's just jump into it. I'm here on YouTube, and what I'm going to do is in the top right corner, I'm going to click on that profile picture, and I'm going to click sign in. And you'll notice at the top it says accounts and there's a plus button. We're just going to click that plus button to create an account. Now, YouTube accounts are attached to a gmail.com email account. If you have a Gmail, you can sign in here. Otherwise, in the bottom section, you'll see create accounts. We can click on that to set up a brand new account for our YouTube channel, and I can choose for myself. So then just add your first name and last name, enter in your birthday, and then either create your own email address, or if you want, just choose one that I have pre-selected, which colinfakeemail@gmail.com works for me. Then you want to create a password, no peeking, review your account info, click next, agree to the terms, and your account is officially created. You then can click on your profile picture and click your channel. And then on here, you can actually add your name, your profile picture to create a channel. And once that's all set up, you can click create channel. Just give it a minute or so for it to actually create the channel. Then you can click your profile picture, go to your channel, and then you can from here create a video, or you can click this pencil icon to further change your profile picture, your channel banner, things like that. Now, one important thing that you must do so you don't get hacked: you're going to want to click on your profile picture. You're going to click on manage your Google account, which is going to take you over here. And then what you're going to want to do is go over to security and set everything up in here, which means having a backup email, a backup phone number, and two-step authentication. I have seen people who don't set up the security things get hacked and completely lose their channel. So make sure you turn those things on. They're there to protect you. Now, this is just one video in a multi-part series helping you get started on YouTube. So if you haven't already, be sure you are in this playlist. You can click on it. Otherwise, it is linked in the description. We're going to walk through how to film, how to edit, growth strategies, everything you need to know about YouTube. So click on the playlist or the link down below to watch this whole series.